welcome back to my channel. Since last time I had the R3 and I upgraded to this. It's a 2020 Honda CBR 650R. I'm the second owner of this bike. She's a beauty. So she came pretty modified. I'm just doing a few things. So currently I'm just taking off this sticker over here. I took it off on the other side. That's how she looks. Reason being, I got this Winglet kit, integrated signal from Sonluck from Thailand. Really fast shipping. These are it right here. Really sturdy quality. Comes with 3M tape. I took off the harness because I have other harnesses from TST, but they do come with these plugged in. More on that later. But these are pretty much gonna replace this, and it's gonna be like that. So the fitment should be okay, and something like that. So we're gonna want to take off the fairing. We're gonna take these off. This one, these two, this bottom one, this one. So there's actually 4 here, not 3. So there's the one here, and then the 3 there. And with these, all you gotta do is just take like a pointy object and just push in the middle until you hear it click. It's a little hard to do it on hand until you see it fully seated, and you can just pop it out. So once you get those 3, you're gonna have to take out this screw, and another 2 push tabs over here. So to take off the fairing, you gotta lift up and push to the side, and should come off. Watch out, because it's gonna be connected to the harness over here like that. So speaking of harnesses, this is gonna be a 3-way connector. I bought a bunch of different ones, so I do have a 3-to-2 connector, which is perfect for this. Another thing too is they already have the OEM Honda styled connectors, so they're like the square little ones. And with these, what you can do actually is de-pin it. But for me, in simplicity, I'm just gonna use the 3-to-2. So with the harnesses, this is the 3-way connector, 3-to-2. You're gonna have to de-pin it, and what you do is you just pull like on these little levers on the inside over there, and then just pull on the cables. What you can do is just pull them out after. So these are the same styled connection as these, so we're just gonna have to repin this over here. And what it is, I have it mocked up over here, is gonna be like this. So you're gonna have to use the side one and the top one, and you're gonna leave the bottom one empty. Be careful putting on the clip. So when you start it, you lose your daytime runner, but signal, she flashes. So with the wire diagram as well, so you're gonna have the orange on that left hand side one, green in the top, and then red to the orange, black to the green. And that's how you do it. And so this comes standard with the signal, and all you need is the TST 3-way splitter. So this way you're not messing with any of the originals. If you want, you can also de-pin this one, but I'm gonna leave that with that signal. So if you want, you can just disconnect this and reattach this, which is almost the same length. So for the signal, there is a little Phillips screw over here and an Allen on the inside. You're just gonna want to unscrew those, and then you can pop out the signal. So here's just a side-by-side comparison. This is how it looks before, and that's how it's gonna look after. So taking off that little sticker, it's pretty nice because it's pretty even with the winglet. That's pretty much how she's gonna be now. Looks like that Ducati kind of front. So you might ask, how do you get it so clean and get off all the goo and all that after the decal? I just use a brake cleaner, just give it a little shot. And I clean microfiber and gently clean. So the relay wasn't necessarily because there's no real hyper flash. Maybe when I do the tail tidy, that's fun, but we're good for now. Alright, anyway, you guys want to hear it?